All right, let's talk about the how to find the vertex of a parabola. All right, so if you have a quadratic function ax squared plus bx plus c, and its graph is going to be a parabola, and we're interested in finding the vertex of that parabola. Right? So here's the formula. The x-coordinate of the vertex can be found by this formula: negative b is the coefficient of x, over 2 times a is the coefficient of x squared. Right? Then y-coordinate is obviously, you can plug the x value into the original function so that we can find the corresponding y-coordinate. Right? So let's look at this particular example. All right. First, we're going to identify A, B, and C. So here's A, B, and C. Right? All right. A is the coefficient of x squared. So in this case, it's 1. Right? So A is 1. And a B is 5. Right? Positive 5. And the C is negative 6. Right? We don't really use C, but I'll just write it down anyway. All right, so let's find the x coordinate, which is negative b over 2a, which is equal to negative, right? B in this case is 5, right? Then 2 times a in this case is 1, right? So we found that the x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 5 halves, right? Then if you want to find the y-coordinate, all you really have to do is the x value we just found, plug it into the original function, right? So this is going to be equal to, all right, so you have a negative 5 halves squared plus 5 times negative 5 halves, right, minus 6. All right, so this is going to be equal to, all right, so square the negative sign is gone, and 5 squared would be 25 over 2 squared would be 4, right? And minus 5 times 5 is 25 over 2, right? And minus 6, right? So let's take the common denominator. So that will be 4. So I put 4 here. Right, so it's a 25 over 4, so it's a 25 right here. Right, so we have to multiply 2 to get to 4. So I'm going to multiply 25 by 2. Right, so that's 50. And so it's a 6 over 1. So we want to turn it into 4, so you have to multiply that by 4. 6 times 4 is 24, so minus 24. All right, so it looks like this is going to be equal to, I'm going to go, maybe go here. All right, 4 is on the bottom. All right, 25 minus 50 is negative 25. Negative 25 minus 24 is negative 49. All right, so that therefore the vertex is negative 5 over 2 and comma negative 49 over 4. All right, so that's the coordinate of the vertex. All right, that's it. I hope that this was helpful.